Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to repair a Winrar corrupt file, so you can recover your important compressed data easily and safely. Step 1 is to right-click on the corrupted Winrar file on your computer. From the menu that appears, select Open with Winrar, which allows the archive to open inside the Winrar program. This step is important because the repair option is only available within the Winrar interface. Step 2 is to click on the Tools menu located at the top of the Winrar window. From the drop-down list, choose Repair Archive, which is a built-in feature designed to fix damaged or incomplete files. This tool helps rebuild broken parts of the archive structure. Step 3 is to select the correct archive type, either RAR or zip, depending on your file format. After that, choose a destination folder where the repaired file will be saved. This ensures the original corrupted file remains unchanged for safety. Step 4 is to click OK and wait while Winrar performs the repair process. During this time, Winrar scans the archive and attempts to recover readable data. The time required depends on the file size and level of corruption. Step 5 is to open the newly created repaired archive that appears in the selected folder. Extract the files to confirm that the data opens correctly and the repair was successful. This final check ensures your files are usable again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows and software fixes.